Hey guys, T here. I got a wire wheel on my drill here, but what I'd really like is to have this thing adhered to the bench. Some kind of clamp or some kind of a structure that holds it into the bench so I can use small parts against here rather than have to hold a small part and do it this way. So we're going to make that today. And thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. Let's get to work. Let's see if these ties work. This would be nice and quick. We're going to try to make this trigger so it'll hold itself down without having to use our other hand. So we just got a clamp on here. So there you have it. Our wire wheel attached to a bench. Just a couple of 2x4s and a piece of plywood. Worked great. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.